Hello, this short video will show you how to install the JMP software program here at Winona State University. Okay, let's go ahead and get started then. We're going to want to do a search for Software Center. There's the app there. And this provides a list of software that is available to Winona State University students, and this software is not automatically installed when you get your laptops. So the program that we're going to be using in this class is the JMP Pro. Looks like this is version 16.2. Let's go ahead and click on that. And then we have to click the install button. And this program is fairly large, so this is going to take a few minutes to install. Looks like the time frame is 10 to 15 minutes here. So I'm going to hit pause here and just come back when we're at the next step of getting this program installed. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so the program said that would take about 10 to 15 minutes. It only took about 5 minutes for mine here, so the time is just, sometimes it takes longer than others. But this is the message that we get upon a successful install, so we'll say OK. It does look like Software Center has a failed message down here. You can just ignore that. It, at least for me, it should work fine. So that's just, you don't have to worry about that. So we can close the Software Center. And now we are going to open up the JMP program. So if we just find that program on our machines, and there might be a message here. It looks like it did not pop up on mine, but there might be a message about licensing. You do not need to register your copy. Winona State has a site license for this, so if there is a message about licensing, you can just skip or close that window. And then this is the JMP program. This is what it looks like here, and in class we will show you how to get started with using this program. So that's all we have here for installing JMP here at Winona State University. Thank you and have a good day.